Holy cow. Look at Tron rolling and doling. Up from, what is this morning? Roughly 13.5 cents this morning, a little below it. Up to almost 16 cents right now. We're going to hit that peak soon. I am not personally a holder of Tron, but you can look at this buy chunk here. All green all day. Still moving up, 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 up. I bet you wish your altcoin, your PP coin, your meme coin, your MOG coin, your bonk, I bet you wish it all would look like this. But it ain't. Guess why? Because it ain't been in the game for 10 years. You don't have Justin Sun behind it. Let's move on, because I know you guys don't want to hear me acting a fool. All right, so XRP having a pretty good day. Down a little bit from where we were a little bit earlier at 61.5 cents, give or take. But we're right below 60 cents. Still some bullish sentiment if you're moving up. If you're a CKJ fan, like he would say, we're dancing in the moon right now. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the day, pretty flat. Had a good little bump here from good, 58,000 up to a little over 60,000, 61,000. But we're back down to 59. Ethereum, we're going to take a quick look here real quick. Trading sideways. It's going to stay the same because I just don't think Ethereum is going to gain the traction that it needs to right now. For those of you who don't know, Flare is the hidden gem of our world over here, and partly because if you look at their actual daily movement, daily connectivity, daily partnerships, Flare actually has a lot going on right now with F assets coming out. I think you're going to see a big bump here real soon. But, hey, it's the crypto market, so nobody knows. Algorand, look at this. Making a big old climb from 11.5, 11.2, give or take, up to almost 13 cents. This is a project that is so far behind in the lagging factor. This project should be worth a lot more than it really is. Everybody knocks it. Nobody should. Let's move on to H-Bar real quick. Hedera doing some things but trading sideways. We're not even going to talk about this because we're so far off of all-time highs, so far off of consistent numbers. Doesn't even make sense. Solana, the project that just fails to give. This is simply a project that's built on meme coins and garbage. I'm sorry. If you can find a good reason why I should be involved in Solana, please let me know. I've never bought a single ounce of this gold. I never will. I just don't believe it's going to be around for long. I think it's a bunch of hedge fund investors with a ton of money who started some garbage. Moving on, Tron, boom, making some moves. But hey, listen, every once in a while when the market's bad, Tron does well. Let's go on to XEC, some Xcash here, or eCash, whatever you want to call it. I think if the video gaming world continues to adopt this, I think you're going to see some big moves here. But nothing big, nothing going on. Shiba, the old woof coin. We're going to keep moving on. I've always been a believer in the holochain and the things that they have going on behind the scenes. But again, as you can see, off its all-time highs dramatically. Down on the week, down on the month. Just the way it is. AVAX coming back. Some Avalanche coin making a little bit of a move. But, not as exciting as what it used to be. Dogecoin, we're moving on. Some VeChain. I know nobody likes it because it's China-based. But I'll tell you, when it comes to utility, VeChain is the next big mover. My favorite meme coin, just because I hate meme coins, but this one makes me laugh, is a little cock in you. Guess what makes your life a little better? Some cock in you. Look at their merchandise page. I get $0.00 for anything they sell, but this shit makes me laugh. Little bonk, just because why not? Yeah, nothing going on. So I'll remind you guys before we try to wrap this up in 5 minutes. Meme coins mean shit. The whole market's going to fall. There is no belief over here that meme coins mean anything. You can do some PP coins, some whatever frog-based, whatever you want. None of this shit's going to make anybody any money except for the few people who were early investors. And you're all getting lucky. It is what it is. But I'll remind you, there are some coins out here, I won't mention anybody, that have actual utility, working with actual federal governments, actual Fortune 500 companies, have some real plans in the future. So we're never here to give you financial advice. Never spend anything you can't afford to lose. And I remind you one last time, we are not here to give advice. Never, ever, ever buy anything based on anything we say. We get drunk on whiskey and report the news. See ya.